What is up, guys? I'm taking a look at a really cool little charger that this company sent over for me to take a look at, and I actually really like this one. The first thing about this is that this is a GaN charger, and you've probably heard the word GaN, wondering what does it mean? Why do I hear it? Why do I see all these chargers that say GaN? Basically, it means that the device itself is made out of gallium nitrate. It basically means that one, it's going to charge your devices a lot faster. Two, it's going to make the device very small. So as you can see, we have a very small device, which really lends this charger to be a travel charger. Now, before I go over everything, I do have this connected to a power outlet over here. So this is going to be long enough. I believe it's 6.5 feet. It's going to be long enough to, if your power outlet is towards the ground, you can put this up on a desk very easily, which is nice. Now, I'll go ahead and put up on the screen all of the power outlets, how much the max power you're gonna get out of everything, so you can go ahead and see that. But one thing I really like about this charger is that it's a combo charger. So it's not completely USB, and it's not completely, just like a normal power strip. So you do get one normal outlet here, and I really like to see that because you don't lose an outlet from the wall, right? If you're fighting over the only empty outlet, maybe in a hotel room, or you're staying at a vacation house, you know how important those empty outlets are. You're not going to lose an outlet. You can say, hey, let me plug this in. I have an extra outlet, so you can plug your charger in here as well. As far as our connections, you can see we have that activity LED right there. So that's going to let you know that you do have power to the device. We have two USB Type-C connections right here, and these are power delivery 3.0, 65 watt each. Now, if you do have two devices connected, it's going to prioritize one of them for 45 watts and the second one for, I believe, for 20 watts, if I could do math. So 20 watts for the second one. Still very fast charging there. And then you get two USB-A ports here. These are Quick Charge 3.0, 60 watts each on those. So again, this allows you to just charge devices very quickly. And to give you an idea of what you can kind of do with this charger, so let's go ahead and I'll plug in my laptop here. And one thing I really like about this too is that it separates that normal power connection from the USB connections. So just like this, I mean, this is even a small adapter, but like MacBook adapters are pretty big. This keeps all of that out of the way, so you don't block any of your USB ports. So I have my laptop plugged in. I can plug in, I have a portable battery here that's Type-C, so I can plug that into the Type-C. And I can plug in my iPhone here. It has a Type-A, so let's go ahead and plug that in. And everything is plugged in and charging no problem. For those wondering about like safety protections, this has overcharge protection, overload protection, anti-surge protection, and short circuit protection here as well. So you're all covered. You can charge all your devices super easily. And like I said, this charger is quite small, so it really lends itself to be that travel charger, which I really like. So if you're looking for a charger for all of your tech devices, this is one that I would definitely recommend.